If you're encountering the transfer expired message on TransferNow, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check the expiration date. Verify the expiration date of the transfer link you received. TransferNow links typically expire after a certain period, so ensure you are accessing it within the valid time frame. Step 2. Request a new transfer. If the link has expired, contact the sender and ask them to create a new transfer. They can easily generate a fresh link for you to use. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause problems with accessing links. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then try accessing the link again. Step 4. Use a different browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try using a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can prevent the link from functioning properly. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still face issues, reach out to TransferNow's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer expired issue quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.